You think you know everything about space? Think again. Did you know there's an ocean hidden inside Jupiter? It holds more water than all of Earth's ocean. And get this, Saturn's rings are actually disappearing. They're falling into the planet like rain, and soon, those iconic rings will be gone forever. Astronomers even discovered a heartbeat in space. A black hole and a star are orbiting each other, pulsing light every 78 minutes, like a cosmic heartbeat echoing through the universe. The universe is alive in ways we can't even imagine. Subscribe for the next part. Trust me, it gets even wilder.